Yeah, guys, you are welcome to this channel. This is Eleta Fashion. My name is Lydia, the fashion designer. Please stay with me and let's learn how to make this beautiful, gorgeous, and sparkling outfit. It's beginner friendly, it's intermediate friendly, and it's professionally friendly as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's learn how to make this in just some 5 minutes. It is as easy as A, B, and C. Here is the outcome of the outfit, and boom, this is how it's looking on me. I'm feeling the vibe already. I'm loving this dress. You cannot underrate this dress. This is so beautiful. So for those of you who have not watched the part 1 of this video, that's the curtain part of the video, you definitely need to check that out after this particular one. In that video, I so much simplified it in such a way that if you're a beginner or you've never sewn in your life before, after watching that video you could just go ahead and sew this outfit. Can you see here, I intentionally left half an inch so that it could be used for the joining allowance. If you're going to be cutting it as all-in-one dress like the pattern is showing, then you don't need to do what I'm doing. My fabric was not enough, so I needed to add this red kente fabric, and that was why I have to divide it into half length. If you don't want to have half length for this outfit, you could just go ahead and make it a straight dress without half length. Yes, please, if you're not a subscriber already, definitely do well to subscribe to my channel. In this channel we do everything fashion designing, everything tailoring, everything DIY, and everything sewing. Over here I'll go ahead and arrange it. This is the hard net. I also went ahead to use the same pattern paper to cut the same thing for this medium hard net, the medium hard net. I'll go ahead and arrange it this way, stitch this other way, stitch. I'll do same to the hard net as well. Once I'm done with that, I'll go to the back. This is the back piece. I'll stitch this way and also stitch that way. These other two pieces is for the back of the half length, so I'll stitch this way and also stitch that way. Here is the front of the half length. I'll arrange it this way, stitch and also stitch as well. Do same to the hard net. So here I was done stitching. Let's go ahead and do the second arrangement. There's the front down. Yeah, this is also the back. One may ask, why are you not using a lining or an interfacing, but you are rather using a hard net? It's not all the time you must use interfacing to structure outfit. This is a dress, I want it to stand, I want it to be structured. So this hard net is going to serve as my interfacing. It's also going to serve as the lining for this outfit. It's going to give structure to this dress because I'm not going to be adding any interfacing, any stave, or any boning. I'll go ahead and attach my net and stitch it this way. Right here, I realized the net part of this outfit was giving it a very perfect look rather than the kente. I'll make sure the net part becomes the facing of the dress, and the red fabric, which is the kente, will now serve as the lining. So I'm going to open it up this way. Since the hard net is going to serve as the facing fabric, I'll place it on my facing fabric this way, stitch. So now this red part is now going to be the lining. Yes, so I will now attach that one to the hard net for the down and also stitch. Yes, here I was done with the stitches. This is how the front, overall front, was looking like. Yes, can you see how the net is making the dress beautiful? I didn't want the red to be so obvious. So here at the back, this is how it is. I'll open the lining and also open the lining. I'll make sure I attach those 2 points to meet, so lining to lining, facing to facing. Yes, I'll stitch it that way and this other way. That is one side. Over here, I'll also open this other side this way. Open it. The right side should always face each other, so I'll sew from this side to this side, lining to lining, facing fabric to facing fabric. Over here, I was done with that one too. I'm just going ahead to turn it. Yes, you need to give it a little bit of press to make sure that everything is well organized and everything is neatly finished. Yes, so this is the back too. Now the last thing we want to do is, so I will put the back with the right side facing me. Then I'll add the front on its right side also facing each other, so the right side are facing each other. I'll go ahead, take the armhole this way, align it, go ahead and then sew lining to line this way and to this other way. Yeah, so this is lining to lining, facing to facing. I'll come to this other side, align the armhole this way, stitch from here and to this other side here. So this is going to give it a neat finishing. The whole dress is going to be neatly finished. You can even turn it at the other way. You can turn it at the lining side to wear it or the facing side to wear it. It will still look perfect because no seam allowance is showing. Everything is intact. Everything is hiding inside. Nothing is showing. Yes, this is how to sew such outfits. So I'll go ahead and press it this way. Here I didn't want to go through the process of attaching the beading. I didn't just slide the bead, so I wanted to do something different, something unique. So I'm just using this other fabric to just get some applique for the outfit. Yeah, play around with it. If you want beading, you can go ahead and bead. If you want to go for ready-made applique, no problem. But for me, I wanted to use that same fabric to design the top part so that it could look very beautiful for me. Yes, once I was done with that, I'll just arrange it this way. I'm trying to arrange to see which design fits perfectly. I think this was okay for me. Just turn it here, insert my zipper. I'll go ahead and insert my zip. After that, I'll heat up my glue gun, and with the help of my glue gun, I'll just go ahead and attach all the applique to that. And this is how I achieve this. Hey viewer, if you are not a subscriber yet, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe. If you ain't anything of that sort, then this is the best home for you. We do everything sewing, everything tailoring, everything DIY, and everything fashion designing. You definitely need to subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to help revolutionize your fashion skills. Thank you very much.